What's going on, everyone? Hey, Joe Kearns here. I just want to take a moment to talk about this build and my experience working with Berg Peaks. It was about a year ago that I picked up this vehicle. It was just a bit of curiosity and really excited maybe to make this a trail-ready vehicle. Well, the more research I did and time that I reached out, I found the team at Berg Peaks, and goodness gracious, what a team of subject matter experts. It was awesome. They understood what I was also looking at. My whole idea of making this a trail-ready vehicle, but losing none of the Porsche DNA and still making it capable on the road and off. They're right there with me. One of the biggest ideas was making this vehicle like a Rocky Mountain Porsche Cayenne edition, as if it literally just rolled off the line, off Porsche's factory as a Rocky Mountain spec'd out vehicle. So taking away of nothing on the styling, not making this over the top and too much add-ons and so on, just making this super sleek and adding to functionality. And I'm so stoked to have this vehicle be the donor vehicle actually, and the test vehicle for R&D for the lift kit, and it's just been such an experience. I mean, as you can see, this has a 3-inch kit lift on it, but when I'm driving this around in the stance to get off these trails and so on like that, I am not losing any of the cornering and the fun on the road to get here and any of that Porsche DNA. It still feels just like a Porsche, and I absolutely love it. This also has the Berg Peaks control arms, fully adjustable, all been tuned in to make this just such a rad vehicle, and I love it. I love that Berg shared the same vision with me on this. It's been just such an experience. The team over there is awesome. So if you have any kind of questions or anything, reach out to the team. They're here to answer all of it when it comes to anything Porsche and anything in that whole realm as well, and all the other amazing vehicles they service. But these Porsche Cayennes and Touaregs, but Porsche Cayennes, the 955, 957, and 958, goodness gracious, they have a whole lineup of accessories and such, and lift kits and so on, to bring that to be a fully capable off-road vehicle. So again, just want to say how awesome it has been to work with Berg and the whole experience, but reach out to them and I'll see you on the trail.